Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own 50-foot natural gas hose for the GENMAX GM10500. So this is a 10,500 generator. It's a tri-fuel. It can work on gas, natural gas, or propane. Depends on what you want to run it on. Let me just show you the quick specs right here. So you have the tri-fuel gas 10,500, 9,500 on propane, and 8,400 on natural gas. Once you buy this generator, it will come with a 25-foot hose. So this hose is 25 foot, quick connect. It quick connects right here. Most people need a little more than 25 foot, so I'm going to show you how you can get your 50-foot hose. You can order this on Amazon. I'll put the links down in the description for you. The only thing is, once you get it, it will come with a, like right here, half-inch line. So I'm just going to show you the adapter you need to get this, so you can quick connect to this or this quick connect right here. So let's make this happen. Remember guys, all the links will be in the description. Just click description, look down if you want to buy one of this. This one we're going to do is 50 foot. So 50-foot hose, you'll get the 25-foot in the box. Most people need a little longer, so you can do 50, 30, 25. It doesn't matter. If you want a shorter hose, you can also buy a shorter hose too. So let's get to it and get this video started. All right guys, so this is the 50-foot hose I ordered. On one side you'll get a covered male side, so this is perfect for the generator. But the problem is, we need to get a quick connect on this side. It comes with one of these. Actually, the kit comes with this one right here. So I'm going to show you how to adapt this right here. That's what the problem is. You need to get the adapter. This is the adapter you need. So it's a half-inch flare to a half-inch male pipe thread. So I'll put this in the description for you, so you can get this and the hose, and it will work just fine. So let's get this out. So this is what you need, the adapter, flare, because as you can see right here, this is flared. So this would screw in right here. This one screws in right here. And the quick connect pipe thread will screw in right there. Alright guys, so I got some Teflon on this. Come over here, start it. Let's get some Teflon on the other one. Get your quick connect, put that on, and that is it. That's all you need. That's the only missing piece. If you order this hose, it does not come with this, and that's the problem. Get it nice and tight. Let me grab some tools, get this tight down nice, and lock it real good. Come over here, hold this one. This is a 1-inch. Okay, that's it. This is it right here. That's all you need. So now you have a 50-foot hose, so you can run this thing from any distance you want. So the 25 is not enough for you. You can actually get another 25 and add them together, but now you have a single 50-foot hose. If you want, you can actually take this one and it will still connect to your 25 like this. Quick connect. So now you have 75 foot. That's a really long run. It will still work. I've tried it, but mine is 50, so I'm just going to use a single 50-foot. Okay guys, so when I hook this up, what I am going to recommend you do is get you a gas detector, gas leak detector, so you can check around the flanges just to make sure it doesn't leak. So you just hook it up and check, see if it leaks. If it does, you can remove it, add some more Teflon, retighten it, whatever it does, whatever you need to do so it does not leak. Okay, so this is my outlet for my natural gas from my home. Come over here, get the protective cap off. Get that cap off. Come over here. Okay, that's connected. Now let's get to the generator. I'll leave my valve off until I'm ready. Once you get to the generator, this one also has a cover. Pull that off. Quick connect. Now I'll get my monitor. I'll turn the gas on and I'll check for leaks. Let's turn on the gas. Come over here. I got my monitor. It's on. Check for leaks. No leak. No leak. So now it's safe to start the generator. Come over here. I'll select natural gas, the blue. Turn my gas on, my power on. Hit the start button. It's gonna try to get all that air out, so it might do a couple starts. That's perfectly normal. It will try again. Gonna cycle. It will do it on its own. Just hang in there. It's a 50-foot hose. All that air needs to get out that hose before that gas gets to the generator. There you have it, guys. You can actually make your own 50-foot hose. You don't have to buy a second one. You can just do one hose that's a complete 50-foot, and you can actually add your 25-foot to this one to get a longer run. I don't know who would need 75-foot, but if you do, there's a perfect way to do it. Alright guys, there you have it. You can make your own 50-foot hose. If you're looking for a way to get a hose that's a little longer than the stock hose that comes with the generator, you can do a 50, and you can actually do up to 75 by adding your stock 75 to this 50. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, just hit that thumbs up button. If you have not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button. Guys, thanks for watching my channel and have a great day. Bye.